Hey everyone, this is Tor. If you're looking to use AI to supercharge your blog and get those search engine rankings skyrocketing, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a deep dive into some of the most powerful AI tools out there that can transform your blogging game. Buckle up, because we're about to go full throttle into the future of blogging. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't just the stuff of sci-fi movies anymore, folks. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the way we do business, including blogging. AI can help us to better understand our audience, automate content creation, and optimize SEO to get that coveted top spot in Google rankings. Now, the first step in our journey to AI-powered blogging is content creation, and one tool that stands out in this domain is OpenAI's GPT-3. This language model AI can generate human-like text that's virtually indistinguishable from content written by people. You can use it to create engaging blog posts, update old content, and much more. I'm telling you, it's like having a virtual Hemingway at your disposal. But great content is just half the battle won. You also need to know what your audience is searching for, right? Enter Phrase AI, an AI-powered tool that helps you find popular topics and keywords in your niche. You can optimize your content around these topics to reach a wider audience. Moving on, let's talk SEO. After all, we want to be at the top of the search engine rankings. ClearScope is an AI tool that helps you optimize your content for SEO. It gives you real-time recommendations to improve your content's relevancy and ranking. And if you're worried about backlinks, Postaga AI is there to save the day. It helps you find link-building opportunities and sends out personalized outreach emails. Now, to make sure our strategies are working, we need data. That's where AI tools like Optimizely come into play. It's a platform for A/B testing that lets you test different versions of your blog to see which performs better. With AI, you're not just guessing, you're making data-driven decisions. We've covered a lot today, but trust me, there's a whole universe of AI tools out there just waiting to be explored. And if you're thinking, hey Tor, this is great, but how do I actually make money with all this? Well, I've got a treat for you. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll create a step-by-step tutorial on how to use AI to monetize your blog. So smash that like button if you want to learn how to turn your blogging passion into a money-making machine. Now, we've got our content up and running, but how do we know if it's really connecting with our audience? This is where AI-powered tools like Social Animal come in. This platform analyzes how your audience engages with your content and gives you insights to make your content even more engaging. Let's dive in and see how it works. Another critical aspect of your SEO strategy is semantic analysis. MarketMuse is a fantastic AI tool that provides insights about content quality, relevance, and comprehensiveness. It helps you create content that's not just SEO-friendly, but also valuable to your readers. But you know what, guys? Even if you have the best content in the world and perfect SEO, none of it matters if your website doesn't provide a great user experience. Fortunately, AI can help with that too. Tools like Crazy Egg use AI to analyze how visitors interact with your site and suggest improvements to enhance their experience. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, we're almost at the end of our journey, folks. Now, once you've got your amazing SEO-optimized blog up and running, you've got to let the world know about it. And there's no better way to do this than using AI-powered tools like Outbrain or Taboola, which promote your content to your target audience, helping you get more traffic and engagement. Let's explore these tools a bit more. So we've covered a lot of ground today and explored a ton of fantastic AI tools. Now, managing all of these tools can seem a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, because there are platforms like Tray.io which help you consolidate and automate your workflows. It's like having a personal assistant, only this one never sleeps and works at lightning speed. Now, remember the promise I made earlier in the video? If this video hits 5,000 likes, I will create a comprehensive tutorial on how to monetize your blog using AI. So if you found value in this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and let's hit that target. That's a wrap, folks. Today we've seen how AI can take your blogging game to new heights. I hope you're as excited as I am about these possibilities. If you have any questions or want to share your AI blogging experiences, drop them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your stories. And remember, the future of blogging is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Embrace these tools, experiment with them, and let your blog shine in the digital universe. Until next time, this is Tor, signing off. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating.